everyone! Today we're going to do something super fun. We're going to learn about the farm. Let's go! Sahil, what is that man called that works in the farm?
A farmer.
A farmer. That is our farmer. And we're going to write farmer. Farmer. What kind of vehicle is in the farm?
A tractor. Oh, yeah.
Tractor.
Right there.
Good job. What color is this tractor?
Yellow.
Yellow. Tractor. Oh, what is this called?
A barn.
This is a barn. So we have a farmer. The animals live in a barn. And there is a tractor. Now, before we go on and talk about the animals in the farm, what does a farmer do?
A farmer drives in a tractor.
And what else do you think he does?
She digs.
He digs. He harvests. That means all of our vegetables and our fruits come from the farm. So you know when you go to the grocery store and you eat your food, you have your dinner and your lunch, where is the food coming from?
The farm.
The farm. The farm. Not the barn, but the farm. The animals are in the farm, but all of our food, vegetables, fruits, it grows in the farm. Then they put it into a big truck, and that truck drives over to our grocery stores. And then we go and we buy our groceries, right? But the food comes from the farm. A farmer drives a tractor. A farmer helps grow our fruits and vegetables. A farmer works really hard digging and taking care of our plants. Now we're going to learn about some animals. Ready for the first one?
Yeah.
What do you think this animal is? What is this animal?
It's a goose.
This is a goose. That's right, goose. What letter does goose begin with?
G.
G. Everyone say goose.
Goose.
Good. Amar, what animal is this?
Ow.
This is a
Pig.
pig. So we have a goose and we have a pig. Okay. Next animal. You ready, Sahil?
Yeah.
D.
Animal.
Donkey.
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 Yeah. We go better than in the book.
A donkey. Ready for the next animal? This one.
Wait a minute. You got to do this on these.
What animal is this?
Sheep. Sheep.
Okay, let's do another one.
Ducky. Ducky.
What does a duck say?
Quack. Quack.
Let's not scream, boys.
Quack.
What does a duck say?
Quack.
Okay, ready? Ooh, this is a little tricky.
Go.
Ooh, good job.
Go. For me. Go. Go.
Ready? Next one?
Cow moo.
That's a cow. One of the most important animals for us. What does a cow give us?
Milk.
Milk. What's this one?
Turkey.
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 The turkey. I'm looking no space now. I need a bigger board, guys.
Why do you need bigger board? Name me squeak. No.
Squeak, squeak.
Squeak. Chick.
A baby chick. You like that one? Ooh.
Oh.
Woof, woof.
Doggy. Woof, woof. Woof.
Ooh, sorry.
Pen.
This is a hen.
Pen.
Hen. That's an H. It's supposed to be H. Ready?
Yeah. Horse. Nurse.
Where we got space for the horsey? put right here.
Why do you need to put the horse every single time?
And I think we have 2 more. So we have
Hen.
a rooster and a bunny. So we're going to put the bunny up here. We're going to put the rooster right there. So we're going to write rooster. And then the bunny, I'm just going to put an arrow right there. And there's a lot more animals in the farm, but this is just a couple of them. All right. We are going to go over things at a farm. So let's all say farmer,
Farmer, baby.
horse,
Horse,
donkey,
donkey,
mouse,
mouse,
rooster,
rooster,
tractor,
tractor,
sheep,
sheep,
duck,
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 chick,
chick,
barn,
barn,
goat,
goat,
dog,
dog,
pig,
pig,
goose,
goose,
turkey,
turkey,
hen,
hen,
cow,
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 bunny.
bunny.
Animal. Okay, so you picked a rooster. Okay, did you know the rooster is a boy? The hen
The girl,
is a girl. And their baby is called a what? A baby what?
chick,
Can you think of a sentence? You want to stick it for me when I write it? Okay. I see a
rooster,
rooster. Okay, what's the next?
buck.
I see a hen.
I see a hen.
Okay, next one. What do you want to say?
I see a baby chick.
Stick it.
Baby chick.
Sal, can you say the sentences?
I see a rooster. I see a hen. I see a chick.
Baby.
Baby chick.
Good job. Okay. Good job. Now let's do another animal, okay? Vegetables. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold this. The farmer gives us our food. So the farmer
Gives
us food. Or makes our food. Or grows our food. He helps grow our food. The farmer helps grow our food. Helps grow. Okay. Then we have a cow. What did we learn about a cow? What does a cow give us?
milk.
Okay.
The cow gives us milk.
The cow
Cow gives us milk.
Okay. And another one? Goose. Sile, what does a goose help us make?
Water.
No, the goose has soft feathers, so it helps us make pillows
Pillows.
and blankets. So what sentence do you want to say?
Blanket.
The goose
Pillows.
makes pillows and blankets?
The goose makes feathers and blankets.
Okay, so the goose
Makes ducky too.
Goose what?
The goose makes
The goose's feathers, because the feathers
makes us
makes
soft and
soft pillows. I think we'll stop at pillows. Okay, so let's go ahead and
yeah.
The farmer helps grow our food. Let's say it together.
The farmer helps grow our food.
The cow gives us milk.
The cow gives us milk.
The goose's feathers
The goose's feathers
makes soft pillows.
make soft pillows.
Good job. The upside down dog.
Okay.
No. That's upside down. The dog has
Has
a strong sense of smell, but we'll just write strong. You can write sense of smell. Sense of smell. All right, you ready to read these with me, Sahil?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Sit up. Sit up. All right, so the farmer drives the tractor.
The farmer drives the tractor.
The cow lives in the barn.
The cow lives in the barn.
The dog has
Dog has
a strong sense of smell.
sense of
Has a strong
a strong
sense
sense of
of
smell.
So I hope you guys learned a lot of facts about the farm and some fun sentences to write. So get to it. Bye bye.
Bye bye.